Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting with essentials. Confirm an active internet connection and that you're on a trusted computer. Once done, have your Google email, password, and any recovery phone or backup codes at hand so you don't pause. Next, open a modern browser and navigate directly to accounts. Google.com, this avoids redirects. Then click Sign In to begin. While that loads, make sure cookies are enabled so the site keeps your session. This gets you into the initial authentication flow immediately. You'll enter your email or phone and then the password. If multiple account types appear, pick the correct one. Once authenticated, follow the two-step verification prompt. Use your Authenticator app, accept an SMS code, or plug in a security key. Make sure you recognize the device name shown and confirm it's yours. Then review any permission requests. These control sync and data access. If you want selective sync, choose Settings now. Otherwise, accept defaults to enable full syncing of bookmarks, passwords, and extensions. Finish by confirming sync is enabled in Chrome's Profile menu or in your computer's Internet account settings. Choose what to sync: bookmarks, passwords, extensions, then save. If you want system-wide access, add the Google account through Windows settings right arrow accounts or Mac OS system settings right arrow internet account so mail and calendar integrate. Finally, test by opening Gmail or Drive and verify bookmarks and passwords appear. If something fails, a single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.